Edit and manage citations. Formatted citations contain hidden field codes, indicated here by the gray shading. And if you try to delete text from a formatted citation or type directly into it, those changes will disappear the next time the bibliography updates. The correct way to edit citations is to run the Edit and Manage Citations command. For 3 citations in my paper, I will make the following changes. For one, I will omit the author's name. For another, I will add information to the citation. For the group citation, I will remove one of the citations from the group and add a different citation to replace it. Let's begin by selecting the Edit and Manage Citations command. Select a citation from the list in the upper part of the window. The cursor in your document will jump to that citation where it appears in the document. In the lower part of the window, the Reference tab will let you see the details for that EndNote record, so you can be sure you are working with the correct reference. The Edit Citation tab will let you edit the citation. To remove an author's name from a citation, select the citation from the list, then check the Exclude Author box. This edit is citation specific. If I cite the same reference later on in the document, EndNote will show the author and year for that citation. References cited multiple times in a paper will show up multiple times in the Edit and Manage Citations window, and each of these citations can be customized separately. For my second example, I want to add information to the reference to include C before the author's name, the page number, and to indicate that the item is in Table 2 on that page. I'll start by selecting the reference from the list and type C in the prefix field. This will come before the author's name in the citation. In the Pages field, I'll add the page number. Note that the Pages field will only work with bibliographic styles that require page numbers. The prefix and suffix fields will always work. In the Suffix field, I'll add Table 2. With the prefix and suffix boxes, make sure to put any additional spaces or punctuation marks as needed. Notice here that the prefix ends with a space and the suffix is preceded by a comma and a space. For the group citation, I want to replace the reference by Argus and Matthews with another reference. To do this, I'll select any citation in the group and choose the Insert Citation option from the drop-down list at the right. This brings up the Find Citation window. I'll perform my search for the new reference, then select the Insert button. I now see a group reference showing the original 2 references and the one I just inserted. Next, I'll select the citation to be removed and choose Remove Citation from the drop-down list. Note that there are other tools available in the drop-down list to the right of each reference. Edit Library Reference would switch to the EndNote program and open the record for viewing or editing. Update from My Library would force a lookup of the reference in your open EndNote libraries to see if you have a match, even though the original reference may have come from another library. If a match is found, the citation in the paper will be updated to match the library. At the bottom left of the window is another Tools drop-down list where you can force an update of all citations, figures, and the bibliography in the paper, access the Format Bibliography commands, or export the traveling library. Select the OK button to display all the changes. In my first example, you no longer see the author's name in the citation. The second example has a prefix, a suffix, and a page number. The group citation now shows the Yeovil reference instead of the reference by Argus and Matthews.